Guys, Savir here. So I just want to make a quick shout out for Alejandro. Just shoot a quick video going over like how it's been working with him, right? The results, where we started, where we are right now, and yeah, just all of that. So like we started when I was 16 years old. Right now I'm 18. So it's been a very, very long time, and it's definitely been an incredible journey to say the least. It's actually been life changing, right? When I first started out with him, I believe it was like the first week of getting started, we made $1,000 in sales, right? With I guess a minimum of 70 to 80% of that being profit, right? And that was incredible to me, you know, starting a new business from scratch. I believe I had 60 followers on Instagram, barely, like less than 100 for sure. And we did $1,000 in sales in the first week, right? And then I repeated that the next week, again, $1,000 in the second week. And the first month of working with him, I made, I think, around $3,000 in sales. Right? That was 2 years ago when I was 16 years old. I was in high school as well at the time, which I ended up, you know, dropping out later on, which was quite obvious. But yeah, so I believe in my month 4, we hit $30,000 in one single month, which was not only my first 10K per month, but it was, you know, like my first 30K month. So yeah, after that, again, we kept working together, and we solidified the systems in place to be making 30K a month consistently, because, you know, that was 30K one time, then it, you know, kind of slowed down. So most of the time we were working on, you know, making that consistent, because again, like it's important that it's consistent. It doesn't really matter if you even make 100K in a single month and then go back to, I don't know, 10K or 20K or zero the next month, right? So a business should be consistent, right? So we worked on consistently making 30K a month every single month. And after we nailed that down, right, in January 2023, I was able to hit 50K per month, which was like, again, mind-blowing. It was a record month, my highest month ever. And last month in June, we did 65K cash collected. And now, you know, I went really from like being the only person in the business, now having a team of 7 people full-time working for me. I've got closers, I've got appointment setters, triagers, all working for me. And yeah, like it's been an incredible journey. I've now like moved to like the dream penthouse that I had. I've got my company set up in Dubai, and yeah, like when I was 16 years old, when I first started out, none of this stuff was actually, you know, like even visible within my reach. But yeah, if you just take action consistently and you have the right mentors in your corner, which Alejandro has to be like the best in that category, because like he's one of those few people who actually cares about client results and student results before his own results, right? So if you want to know how you could potentially also do the same, you can just book a free call with him, talk with his team, see if this is something that can also help you. And if it can, that would be awesome. And you know, you can just like literally change your life with this.